I got in there and met people and talked to them. So according to social anthropology, that was the most suitable job I could get. And I did that. The thought in my mind, but there were two questions. Would I, with my family, be able to live on a taxi driver salary, working as a taxi driver only? And secondly, if I could manage that, what are the conditions that a taxi driver in Sweden can live on his salary, but not in Delhi, not in many other countries? What are the conditions? And that's what I have done. I have done and tried to prove that if the conditions are right and the sharing is correct, a laborer can live a worthy life anywhere on the earth. There are many definitions of socialism, but the word emerges from sociare, which means to share or to have things in common. So no matter how you describe it, we have what you call democratic socialism, revolutionary socialism, international socialism, utopian socialism. All isms are there, but they all come to one point, that is to share. Share what? In any society, what is there to share? When you produce, your labor, the things you construct, and then how to deal it, how to share it with the other people. We have two great socialistic revolutions, one in Soviet Union, and whenever I talk about socialism, immediately people refer to the socialism there, socialistic idea, socialistic state, and then it was China. The socialism I'm talking about is not the revolutionary socialism. It is philosophical socialism, which does not start with a revolution, it starts at your home. It is at the grassroots that you can implant socialism. If you have children at home, if you have 5 children, and they come to a room and there are 10 apples there, and if your first child takes only 2 and goes on his way, he is on the socialistic way. And then comes the next one and takes 2, you are successful in that one. So that is socialistic thought. And those who have taken 2, if they want to share with the other one, they don't want to eat 2. One wants to eat only 1. That's good enough. Share it. But that sharing is free will. Or in a discussion where we are sitting, there are 10 people in a room, and we have 1 hour, then automatically we know each person has 10 minutes. If you are aware of that feeling, you are on the socialistic way. You don't allow somebody to sit and babble for 40 minutes, and all of other people are just sitting and listening. In a lecture, yes, but in a discourse, no. So that at that level, we need socialism. And that experiment was conducted in Sweden in 1927. But before I go to that, I will tell you what a social taxi driver in Sweden does. It is a 10 to 13 hours job in the beginning. You work from minus 30 degrees to plus 30 degrees. You work when it blows cold and lifts you up and drops you about 30 meters from the place you are. And you're still out and working because that is your job. And that is actually what our honor code, just like the fire brigade for anybody, that whatever the circumstances, when it's our shift, we are going to work. That's the way it functions. The salary of a taxi driver is about, if I take in units, it's about 1,600 units. Divide that by 7, you will have the rate in pounds per month. But these 1,600 units are very different from the 1,600 units anywhere else. In Sweden, it is provided let's say if I drive in per month 58,000 units, then of those 58,000 units, 1,600 units go to me and 800 units go to the owner of the taxi. Rest of the money is used to pay the taxes, to pay the price of the thing, bills, running costs, and whatever. But the division is out of 58,000, 1,600 for the worker, 800 for the owner. That is the proportion. So I thought, what makes Sweden different from any other place? How can people who are born on the countryside and they produce, the people in the capital they produce, people in the villages they produce, what can be done? There should be a common sharing. And the only way that what I have found is the implementation of a comprehensive taxation system. You tax people, each and everyone who produces, and then you distribute that tax to each and everyone within that society according to their need. That is the principle of socialism. The first is that each from each according to his capacity, to each according to his need. Now this need is not a mathematical need, it can change. A big person needs more bread than a smaller person, but in any case there has to be a balance. And the taxation system is not only extorting money from people, it is about distributing the same money and providing security in a system till that day when a taxpayer does not feel that he is being robbed. He feels, I am putting my money for my security. When a taxpayer starts feeling that the money I'm paying, it is for the aged in this country, it's for all the children in this country, it's for me. If I become sick, you get total security. And that is what the Scandinavian countries have succeeded in doing.